How to use Google Lens for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you on utilizing the Google Lens as a beginner. So let's get started. To begin your journey with Google Lens, let's take note of the following steps. First of all, you have to locate the distinctive icon resembling a lens positioned adjacent to the microphone icon within the search bar of your Google Chrome. By clicking on this icon over here, you initiate the remarkable functionality of the Google Lens. For individuals utilizing a personal computer, there exists the option to upload a file from your file explorer. This action facilitates the exploration of the diverse details, answers, or the information related to your particular item that piques your curiosity. If you do not immediately see the aforementioned bar, a convenient alternative comes in the form of the pasted image link section. With this section, you can just simply copy the image and paste it over here, and then proceed to initiate the search process. The ease of accessibility extends to the mobile users as well, where the similar process unfolds seamlessly. Users are granted the ability to seamlessly upload the photos directly from their device or opt to capture a live picture to conduct a detailed search regarding the item of their interest. Furthermore, if you seek swift answers to your inquiries, the option to consult Google directly also prevails. With these steps, you have unlocked the potential of Google Lens, and this guide encapsulates the essential steps to empower you in navigating this innovative tool effectively. So thank you for engaging with this tutorial. Your journey with Google Lens begins now.